Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to update your location in Spotify. So let's get started. At first, we need to know that we cannot update our location in Spotify app. For that, we need to go to browser and search for spotify.com. Now we need to click on the setting icon in the top right corner. Now click on View Account and scroll down to Edit Profile. And here we can see country or region option from which we can change our location. Now click on Save Profile. So this is it. This is how we can update our location in Spotify. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.